Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So only a quick update here. Market is moving a lot these days, which is good, not unexpected, but good and good. We are very close now to invalidating completely the blue count. If we do that, I'm going to take it off the chart. As already said earlier today in the video, the blue count has become very unlikely. The blue count basically is the idea that we came down in a wave 1, we're now moving up in a wave 2, we would then do something like that and come down to $1,000. That count has become extremely unlikely given how close we are now to the beginning of the wave 1, which is the point when we are basically invalidating it, because you cannot, with a wave 2, you cannot go above the beginning of a wave 1. So, however, it already became very unlikely as we moved above 1305, which was already a warning and a hint that we are going to push higher, which we're doing. So the expectations are working out. There is no sign of stopping at the moment. I think we are now possibly in the green count, which is the other count I've been tracking over recent weeks, where I told you that until we break above 1305, there's no way you could tell the difference if we are in the green or the blue count. Turns out we are most likely in the green count. Now, this count suggests that we moved off the low here in on the 19th of December, moved up in a wave 1, we came down in a 2, we're now moving up in a wave 3. Then there should be a 4 and a 5, so we should still push higher, ideally into the $1,400, $1,500 region. Now, don't take that for a given, because as you can see, even in the green count here, we are still currently only completing a wave 1, 2, and 3. This could very easily be in a slightly amended structure, be an A, B, C within a larger B wave. Sorry, that's extremely ugly. A wave, it's still ugly. A down, B up, C down. That's possible as well in a slightly amended structure. So as long as we don't have 5 waves, there's of course some risk that you need to consider. However, we can take it level by level, which is probably the best we can do, because if we zoom out, this whole mess is just very corrective. So there is currently no evidence that an overall bear market low is in or anything. It could be, and I'm also going to tell you in this video what the chart needs to do to convince me that a bear market low is in. We can assume it, we can trade it as per it. We can, for example, try to buy all these lows and support areas and then just take profits along the way, which is sort of what I try to do on this way up, which so far has worked out reasonably well, I think. I mean, we nailed all these support areas on the way up. If you watch the videos over the last couple of weeks, it wasn't easy in this messy structure, but so far I think we basically managed to do, well, the best what we could do in this situation. But at the moment, I think we're still going to push a bit higher. I'm going to zoom into the microstructure as well in a minute, I can do that now, can't I? So zoom in. So the idea is obviously unchanged. Basically, the view is unchanged from the previous video. The only difference is that this wave 3 is getting a little bit stronger than, not that you would normally expect, but as you know, the 1.618 FIB extension is the minimum target we normally expect for a wave 3. So that was reached. That was reached already in my previous video. Then I gave you a target for a wave 4 and said if wave 3 has topped, it could come down into a wave 4 support area. Obviously, it never stopped, so it moved up higher, which is not necessarily a surprise if we have a wave 3. It actually adds confidence to the current count. So the next logical target is the 2.618 multiple, which is at 1357. Next resistance is 1348, basically also here where this B wave high is, sort of in that region between 1348 and 1357 is the next opportunity or possibility for wave 3 to end, from where it could then get into a wave 4 support area and move higher in 5. That would, from what I can see now, complete this higher degree wave 3, and we would then, in a wave 4, come into a slightly lower area, again maybe around 1290, 1300. So we should then afterwards push higher in a 5th wave. And that would complete this C wave, after which we should come down. And this is also a moment of truth, because it will either come down to the $1,000 level even lower, yeah, or it will only make a shallow correction. So we're going to take it level by level, and each level I will give you the sort of key support areas that are relevant for further upside, which are tradable, of course. But yeah, so this is sort of what we're doing now. This is a structure where the bear market low could already be in. And if we come down and hold the $1,000 level, it would be a possibility that we move up from there and move up in basically a more bullish structure. Yeah, so the $1,000 level remains the key level that we need to hold. But yeah, ideally, if we get in this structure now a bit higher, come down in 4, hold a key support area that I'm going to define, then we can get the wave 5, and that will be the next decision point, the moment of truth. What would be needed to confirm, really, I'm talking about confirm, not just assume, but really confirm that Ethereum has done, let's see if I find that chart, I made that today actually, bullish confirmation, that Ethereum has got the low already in the bear market low. Well, we need to do something like that. We need to push higher. This is a different structure, yeah? So basically you can think about it, we are currently doing this, yeah, we're currently moving higher here in 5 waves. If we stop here in this ABC, yeah, if we stop here and come down, we haven't confirmed it yet really. But if we move up higher now, yeah, move in this box between 14 and 1500, come down, hold support, move even higher, maybe all the way to 1600, then make ABC down, come down maybe again into the current price region, maybe a bit lower, hold support. That is when we can confirm a bear market low is in, not before. Before we can assume it, you know, we can sort of trade it, but if we get stopped out, you know, we get stopped out. But yeah, this is what the chart needs to do. As you can see, we are far away from confirming it. We're basically only doing, if you zoom out a bit, we're only doing 3 waves up at the moment, whereas there's still a risk of breaking down. So we need those 5 and then an ABC down, and then we can sort of confirm it with probably the best likely. There's never a guarantee, yeah, in these markets. That's important as well. But yeah, hopefully that this video here helped you. I hope you liked the update about Ethereum. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. If you like the content, please also check out the channel membership for more short-term upside. I think important these days. A weekly live stream, lots of education around technical analysis, Elliott Wave and trading, and just a great community. Yeah, then check out the channel membership. Also, if you like, check out our trading course that we offer on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.